My name's Carissa, I'm with Knoxville Lice Clinic, and I'm going to be doing a treatment goop demonstration on Violet here today. This is the first step that you're going to do with one of our take-home kits. This is our treatment goop. It comes in several different sizes for whatever works best for your family. The scientific name is Dimethicone. That just means that it's a silicone polymer. The Dimethicone that we use is 100% and food grade. That means that it's safe for children of all ages. Nursing women, pregnant women, you can get this stuff in your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, whatever. It's in a lot of hair care products and fast food anyway. It's really an interesting thing to look up. But what it does for us is it kills everything crawling within 10 minutes. That means that you're not going to have to worry about transferring bugs from your child to yourself, from your friend to yourself while you're out treating each other. You can just worry about getting the eggs out. It doesn't actually kill the eggs, it only kills things that hatch, but it's a lot easier to get those nits out when you're not worrying about bugs constantly laying eggs. Now we sell this bottle here on our website. We also sell these applicator bottles. I find it a lot easier to get it into the hair using an applicator bottle. You can purchase these online as well. Now, most of the time we have the person tilt their head back. Violet here, her head doesn't move that way. So I'm just going to try to do this as carefully as I can. I put my hand over her hairline here so it doesn't run into her face as much. And I put the applicator bottle right at the scalp. This stuff is very thick, so it's difficult to get it to the scalp if you start by putting it on the top layer of hair. So what I do is I just put it at the scalp and then smooth it back. This has the same general principle as hair dye if you've ever dyed your own hair. You just want to make sure that you get every single hair from root to tip, including the baby hairs. So we start at the front of the head and move our way back. The goal here, we started on dry hair, and the goal here is to make sure that every single hair gets saturated. So more is definitely better than less. Using more dimethicone isn't going to hurt anything. If you don't use enough dimethicone, you may not fully saturate the hair, and that means that there could be a bug still running around loose that could lay eggs, and then you're back at square one. So after we get all around the hairline, we start to move into the crown of the head area. Now, like I said, you part the hair, put it at the scalp, and then smooth it through. This can take a little bit of time to do correctly, especially your first couple times out the gate. I have some added difficulty in that, like most children, Violet does not sit still while I'm doing this. Now, I'm wearing gloves just out of habit. Here at the clinic, we use gloves to apply it because it makes cleanup a lot faster. At home, you don't have to wear gloves. When I do this to myself at home, I definitely don't wear gloves. I just have my applicator bottle and I stand in the shower and start working it through my hair. Make sure that you're pulling up the hair at the nape of the neck to make sure that you're getting all these little baby hairs here. Want every single hair to be completely covered. Some people have different hairlines. You may end up going further down the neck, further down the sideburns. Some people's have a shorter forehead than others. Another easy way to make sure that you get everything pulled through here, if you're a little bit nervous about that, is to get a brush and just start combing it through. We have these wide tooth combs here, and you can just kind of pull the dimethicone through. I would recommend putting a towel of some sort over the shoulders just to make sure that you don't get it all over the person's clothes or the floor. If it does get on your clothes, you can rub some Dawn dish soap on it before you throw it in the wash. It will make a grease stain, but Dawn will get it right out. Most everything I've worn to the clinic has had dimethicone on it at some point. This stain does not set, so if you pull it out of the dryer and there's still a grease stain on it, just rub more Dawn on, back in it goes. Now, it's important to stop and check every so often. You want to look here and make sure that all the way in the middle has dimethicone on it. There's some dry patches because Violet has pretty thick hair. So we're going to go back in, put more dimethicone on those dry patches, comb it through again. Then once we've got it nice and saturated here, we're just going to put her hair up in a bun. Ponytail works too, whatever is easiest for you to do yourself. I do have this little headband kit here. We do sell this on our website as well. It has a hair tie, a headband, and a shower cap in it. That's useful because the dimethicone is never coming out of this hair tie again. This way you can just throw it away and not have to worry about getting your own stuff covered in grease. So we just put her hair into a bun here. Not my best bun, but she is a little wiggly. Throw the headband over her head. I normally include the ears in that. And then we put this headband on. The headband and shower cap are not necessary. However, it does keep it from running down her face and her neck and onto her clothes a little bit. Now she's all ready to go. Now, like I said, Dimethicone kills everything crawling within 10 minutes. You can wash it out after 10 minutes and be confident everything is dead. However, you can't catch head lice while you have this in your hair, so a lot of people choose to leave it on while they clean their house. Especially while stripping sheets, yanking on those sheets can send lice flying through the air. You want to make sure those don't land in your hair, so having this on will make you feel safe while you're cleaning your house. So all you have to do is just leave it in there for however long you want. It's not going to cause any damage, it's not going to hurt your hair or anything. Now to get this out, you either need to use Dawn dish soap, which is very time consuming and strips all of the moisture out of your hair. It generally takes me about an hour with this amount of hair to get Dimethicone out using dish soap. We also have clarifying shampoo. This is for sale on our website as well. Clarifying shampoo will get this stuff out much faster and is more gentle. It's not going to dry out your hair, it's not going to dry out your skin. It does cut your washing time down from about an hour to 15 minutes for me at least. That way I can make sure that my hair stays healthy and I'm not wasting a bunch of time in the shower when you have so many other things that you need to be doing today. And as always, if you have any questions, you can give us a call or check us out on Facebook. Thanks!